started it. He's like, give it to me.
Look good?
You took one bite and he's moving his mouth.
My turn, my turn. You can't have curry for a long time, little guy.
He could probably have some. It's more of like, is he... Yeah, he smiled at you, Gray. Gray, you want to say hi? What you eating? Hi.
Hello.
Eating a crunchy pepper? You got lots of teeth.
Hey, Greg, can you say elevator?
Good.
Can you say aluminum? Well, that was really good, actually. Can you say aluminum? Can you say moose?
Good. Can you say
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
porcupine? Porcupine. Porcupine. Good. What about you, Silas? Oh, that one was just teasing. There he goes. Awesome. All right, everybody say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you for that nice smile. You're beautiful.